Pending thunderstorm, check. UFO in the sky, check. Now get ready for my bizarre theory on this. Now, I have posted several videos of these UFOs that love the thunderstorms. They either are being hit by them, they're going into the clouds like you see in this one, or they're dropping out of the skies. Now, I can only speculate why they love these things. You know, it could be because they need their systems charging up, or they could use their energy to transfer from one place to another. I just don't know. But I love watching footage like this because I think it's so cool. So guys, I hope you enjoy this one.
A ver si se llega a ver esa luz que está. No es un avión, pero no sé si se va a distinguir en el video.